God is great. God is good. Thank you. Here is what the chest freezer is looking like now. That is all cleaned out and ready for restock. I just put all my vegetables over here. And then we got one sad looking bag of mixed vegetables down there. But it is completely cleaned out, as you can see. And ready for restock. Quickly, we got the hefty Supreme 250 count plates. We got the Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, a member Mark's brand. We got Eggles waffles, 60 count. We got these sirloin beef patties, 18. And they are 1/3 pound patties. We tried something different, which is a coffee mate. This is the one, actually you do not have to refrigerate it. It sits on your counter. So we're trying this because the kiddos are, oh my gosh, they're going in the refrigerator drinking a coffee creamer. And I don't want these little critters to get sick. So we had to try something different. We got a country crock spread. We got 2 packs of the ballpark Franks. And they're 24 counts. So we got this is a staple for me, the chicken breast in a can. I normally make chicken fritters, chicken salad, like all things chicken. Sometimes I make barbecue chicken and we make it, put it in the oven and put it on some rolls. It's really good with some fries on the side. So I got some cuties. I got some of these rolls for making lunch meat sandwiches, just to change it up a bit, and I'm gonna make the mini poor boy sandwiches out of them. Artisanal bread, 20 pack. We got 2 bags of the King's Hawaiian bread. Everybody knows that's our favorite. We got double pack of grape jelly. We got staple is the fish sticks. We got some raviolis. We got a bag of salmon for hubby. We got the Tyson chicken nuggets, white meat. We got the golden crinkle cut french fries, the Ryder brand. We have a double pack of the chicken fajitas. We have 2 bags with ground beef in them. And I'm going to cut these trays down to make 4 servings total. Got a pack of bacon. I normally get the right thick cut bacon, but unbeknownst to me, I go in here today and the same pack that's normally $15 was $23.97. And I was like, nope. So this one comes with 3 packs. And this is a good bacon too, but it's secondary to the rice bacon that I normally get. I was a little disappointed, but I still got bacon. So we got 2 packs of drumsticks. They like 5.17 a piece, so that's one. There's another one. We got 17 value pack of Hot Pockets, the ham and cheddar. I was able to get the Greek pita bread. These are 12 flatbreads in white for making sandwiches, something different. I was able to get my favorite, which is the cheese danishes. Didn't get any of the muffins because there was a recall on Sam's muffins, so I didn't want to take a chance. We got a box of the Rice Krispies 36, but they already opened those. We have a package of bath tissue. I'm trying to pick up one of these every time I go because I have a funny feeling some things are going to be off the shelves again. 25-pound bag of long grain rice. Moving over here, we got a double box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and the Reese Puff cereals. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is Kyrie's favorite. Reese's is TJ. He's into chocolate and peanut butter. We got 2 containers of heavy whipping cream. We have TJ's favorite SpaghettiOs with meatballs. We have the 3 count of the Heinz ketchup. Another 10-pound bag of pancake mix. Something else that's now staples in the house. The Lipton iced tea lemonade drink mix, the powder. Also the Country Time lemonade. There's a pink lemonade, and it might be in the second part of this haul. We got 1 gallon of milk, because I still have to go get my wick. We have the Dawn, which is a non-food item. And then we have Member Mark's raspberry lemonade. This is very good. I really like that. So that is it for what's up here. We're going to put this away, and then we're going to do the second part of our haul. We are back. I found my trio. I think it was this one missing when we were upstairs. I'm trying to get this stuff organized in the kids' snack closet. But I wanted to show you, I got the double container of apple juice. A double container of cranberry ocean spray. I got the boys 2 boxes of the Capri Sun juice pouches, 40 each, so it's a total of 80. And I just want to bring you over to the snack closet. So, we got 2 boxes of the 50 bags grab and snack packs of the chips on our overflow. And that's also where I stuck the additional paper plates until I can get access in my closet downstairs where they're working on the washer. This is some snacks that we're still working on in this box here. That's how I keep it separate from the other stuff. So we're still working on everything that's on this top shelf. Moving down here is where I started restocking. So you'll see the 2 boxes of honey buns, the go-go squeeze. That's 2 6-packs of Snapple apple. And then, of course, in our sweets department, oh my gosh, I got some cherries, I got some Mentos, I got, the Mentos, I got these High Chews, I got Laffy Taffies, I got Now Laters, I got more of the High Chews, and I got 2 things of the cherries ropes. So, Twizzler stick type. And then these are some gummies that the kids are working on. So, and then we still working on these Fun Dip. Put these back. I like to put everything right back. So, that's in our sweet section. We still have Slim Jims that we're working on. I always restock the Reese's Cups, so there's quite a few there, as you can see. And it's time to actually go get more. This is what's left over. The go-go squeeze, and like I said, the 2 6-packs of the Snapples. We have the double box of oatmeal cream pies. These are the larger ones. We have the Little Bites by Entenmann's. We still have more of the Planters peanut variety pack. Still some overflow of juices, some Snapples. There's some more in Arizona. And then behind it is 2 boxes of the Hunts, 18 chocolate, 18 vanillas. Then we have Chips Ahoy. And those are staples. We get them every time. And then we have the 30 count of variety packs of cookies. And we got more Ritz crackers. These is 18 stacks. And then that's the microwavable popcorn. I just moved them down to the bottom. We're still working on those. And then we have some Cheez-Its. So that's what we have going on in the snack closet for right now. Again, that's our overflow of like mouthwash, toothpaste, Q-tips, like personal needs, deodorant and stuff like that. And then this is the opened Reese's. I just stick them there. And then they are, and I should actually put them back down here. Ooh, okay. And then they are overflow of vitamins for the kids, and then the vitamin E for myself and hubby. So yeah, this is what we're adding. And then I have to put the rest of the drink mixes away.